Top of the morning, come along with me for part of my day. I meant come along with me for part of our day. It's a beautiful day in Portmore and we're at Caymanas Park to watch the races in fine style. Speaking about fine style, here's my outfit. I chose a solid pink bum hugging dress and of course the most cutest fascinator. We got to the lounge area, which was decorated beautifully, and I was greeted so warmly. I jumped straight into an interview with the lovely Debbie Bassoon, but really it wasn't about my appearance but the appearance of Baby Royal.
I'm not talking about her, I'm talking about her. But for a second, let's talk to Mommy Chiney. Chiney, you look absolutely amazing.
You know, I don't feel no type of way because I've realized that when I go out, people seem to greet the bump first and then greet me after. Yeah, I'm the afterthought. It's all about Baby Royal. I went inside, which was decorated beautifully as well, and my first stop was the bar. I met the bartender. Her name was Carrie. I said, Carrie, make me something nice. I wanted to make it look like I'm having a drink. Carrie did not disappoint. She made me something and I was so thirsty. I guzzled that and finished it in one drink. Right away, Carrie got me something else. It was really coconut water, but you couldn't tell I wasn't having a gin and tonic. Before I left the bar, Carrie handed me a red rose. She said, this is because we have the same name. I thought Carrie was the sweetest. I went outside. I caught one of the races. I looked up and I said, sweet baby Jesus, this is such a beautiful day. I then went over a table to take some pictures and have a chat with the ladies in these beautiful hats. I mean, fascinators. Yes, everybody's fascinators, including mine, was caught to the side. I stayed outside for a bit, watched a few more races, then I headed back inside. Once I got in, I did another quick TV interview, and before I got a chance to sit down, I was being called on stage for being nominated as one of the best dressed women of the evening. I ain't gonna lie, at this very moment, you couldn't tell me and Baby Royal that we wasn't representing Jamaica in the Miss Universe pageant, because this was our moment.
A moment like this, some people wait a lifetime.
Anyways, after all that, Baby Royal was thirsty, so we got something to drink. So I went back outside and sit down to check my betting slip because I had placed a bet on 3 horses. I didn't really know what I was doing when I placed the bets. I just placed the bets on 2 of the favorite horses and then a random horse. I thought my horse won, but I'm never really sure if it won, and I didn't really know how to check the ticket, but I was like, I think I might have won. Let me go check. So I got up and went over to the counter to ask the lady, did I really win or what?
I just checking. Did I just win? She didn't tell me what it's won. Give me the ticket and tell me what I just won. Because I need to video my excitement to tell me that I won. Did I just win?
So who give you the love? Huh? Who give you the love?
Did I just win or not?
You won.
Bring it down.
Well, sweet baby Jesus, would you look at that? Not bad for somebody who had no idea what they were doing. And even though we didn't win best dress of the evening, but we won ourselves some moolah. So let me tell you how I did it. None of the favorite horses won, and I bet on number 8 solely because the number 8 was inside a pink box. By the way, I only bet $3,000. I chose pink because I was wearing pink. Baby Royal is a girl, which means pink, and because of that, we won ourselves $21,000. Yeah, this is gonna go towards buying some Pampers or something. It's time for the last race. Everybody's outside. Because I just won in the previous race, Debbie came over and rubbed her betting tickets all over to get some good luck. The excitement is in the stand, and number 10 looks like he's gonna take the win, and number 10 is going, and number 10 takes the win for the final race. The final race of the Mute Mile. It was an exciting race. Everyone was excited, and Baby Royal and I did a little shim shim. The day has come to thou end, and it was such a beautiful day, well spent. Walked away with a little cash, so that's not bad. I also accidentally walked away with the cutest miniature horse. I don't want you to say I teeth it because technically I didn't teeth it, I borrowed it. It was the cutest. Later on, I promised Mama I was gonna stop by. She didn't know I was pregnant, and she grabbed Baby Royal in my belly over and gave us the biggest hug and rub. She was excited. Another great grandbaby added to the bunch. The perfect ending to a great day. Okay, bye.